Welcome to this quick guide on how to use Krita Online with RunApps. If you're an artist on the go or just looking for a convenient way to access powerful digital painting tools, RunApps has got you covered. First, head over to runapps.org and search for Krita. RunApps offers a seamless way to launch Krita directly in your browser without any downloads or installations. Click Launch to open Krita Online. In just moments, you'll have access to a full suite of creative tools, perfect for sketching, painting, and more. Once inside Krita, you'll notice the familiar interface, packed with features like customizable brushes, layers, and vector tools. It's designed to bring your artistic visions to life, just like the desktop version. Start by selecting a brush from the extensive library. Krita's brush engine is powerful, allowing you to customize everything from size to texture, ensuring your artwork is uniquely yours. Layers are your best friend in Krita. They let you separate different elements of your work, making edits and adjustments a breeze. You can also experiment with blending modes and opacity to add depth and creativity. Once you're done, saving is simple. RunApps allows you to download your artwork directly to your device or export it in various formats.